Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve 1 minus 3, and then you have 1 minus 3 inside these parentheses with an exponent of 3. And to solve this problem, we're going to need the help of PAMDAS, and PAMDAS is telling us that the parentheses will go first. So what is 1 minus 3? Negative 2. And I'll keep the parentheses and write the exponent 3 up there. Bring down the 3, the subtraction symbol down, and the 1 down. Now we have 1 minus 3 times negative 2 with an exponent of 3. Now, according to PAMDAS, exponent will be first in this problem, not subtraction. Exponent. So, negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4. Because a negative times a negative equals a positive. And 4 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. Because a positive times a negative gives us a negative. Right? This is correct. So I'll write it here, negative 8. And keep the parentheses, bring down the 3, the subtraction symbol down, and then the 1 down. Now we have 1 minus 3 times negative 8. And we are solving the math problem from left to right according to PAMDAS. So multiplication will go first, not subtraction, because it's the lowest level. So 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. And then bring down the subtraction symbol down and the 1 down. Now, anytime you are subtracting integers, which 1 and negative 24 are integers, you can use a method called keep, change, where you keep the first number, you change the subtraction to addition, and lastly, you'll change negative 24 to its opposite, so it'll be 24. So I like to draw this table to help me remind me. The K goes there for keep, the C for change, and the C for change. So I'll keep the 1, I'll change the subtraction to addition, and then change negative 24 to its opposite. So it'll be positive 24, just write 24, and then just add across. 1 plus 24 is 25. And then that is your answer. And there you go. Now go ahead and solve this math problem. 2 minus 3 inside these parentheses with an exponent of 3. Put your answers in the comment section down below, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.